right? All right, what we're going to do is we're going to be replacing today the headlight bulb, low beam, on an Nissan Altima 2005. The high beam, that's the low beam, I believe. All right, so we're going to remove this one and replace it. I got a replacement light bulb. You need to take care of your light bulb, you know, when it's all burned out, because the police will stop you. It's a violation and they will stop you. So the first thing you want to do is remove this one. Remove the coolant system. So you use a 10 millimeter, and I'm going to unscrew this. There. I'm just gonna put this over here where I don't lose it. There's another one that needs to be removed right here. Look. Right there. Look, I'm gonna light it up. See? One here I removed, another one right there. So let's do that. If you don't take this off, the coolant reservoir, you will not be able to access the light bulb. So I think I pretty much, so I'm going to do this by hand and reach down, and I got it. Put that over there where, and I'm going to kind of like see if we can start lifting this up. There, see, it's already coming up. So remove this and kind of like put that over here for now. All right, now this, look at this. This is where the light bulb is. You need to turn this counterclockwise. There, see what I'm doing? You getting it? See, I gotta turn this cover counterclockwise. There. Just turn it. There. See, it's coming off now, see? Right? There. Okay. And now you can kind of like see the light bulb there. So I remove the cover. This is the cover. Okay, that's the cover. And the light bulb's over there. So now I'm gonna kind of like reach my hand in there if I can. If not, I might have to remove this too, because my hand won't fit. So hold on. I have to remove this bracket right here, that, because my hand won't fit in there unless I remove that. So I'm going to try unscrew that too right now. Hopefully that's the only screw there. It's a 10 millimeter also. So here we go. Yeah, got that? All right, so I remove that for now. Do not lose this. So I'm gonna put them over here where I don't lose it, because if you lose them, it's gonna be more of a problem when you drop it down there on the engine. So you don't want to do that. So man, that is all taken care of for now. I'm gonna try to reach in there. I got my flashlight. See the clip? You don't want to unscrew the clip. What you want to do is push this tab down. Alright, so what we're going to do is you're going to see a retaining clip right here, and it's kind of like just push that down and out to release. See that? The retaining clip actually, just when you push it back, see, I'll show you, it just goes back in there like that. Alright, there you go. So I lift this up first, alright, while pushing that up, put the replacement bulb in, and then Let this go down again. And now the retaining clip, push this down. And it locks.